Hello everyone, Netherite Dev here. Welcome back to another video. Today's video, I got back from vacation like yesterday, but today's video we are going to be doing the 1,000 Robux giveaway. So I literally just inserted everyone in like 2 seconds ago, which is why I selected this person because I was pasting them in. So I also shuffled it a couple times already. I'll shuffle it some more like this. And yeah, so we are going to be doing the 1,000 Robux giveaway today, and a random one of you inserted everyone of you into the group will win 1,000 Robux. Well, one of you will be lucky. I did remove some people that abandoned their account, and some people that already won giveaways, like he abandoned, they abandoned. Alright, but some people I removed if they abandoned though. This person won 100 Robux, but guess what? Their account was abandoned, so that giveaway was wasted. So yeah, anyway, thank you so much for the support as I was gone. Now let's go ahead and do the giveaway. So I've already shuffled it a couple times. And now the mighty button. And who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? And the winner is so we're gonna do now is we're gonna configure our group. Don't worry, I have more funds coming in soon, so I'm not gonna be broke forever. Like a lot of funds coming, so I'm gonna do a one-time payout. Payout recipients, and Durian Dev here, the founder of Roblox. Alright, so click OK. 1, 0. Oops, I pressed O. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I'm just kidding. Alright, 1,000 Robux. I'm scared. Okay, we paid them out. We paid them their 1,000 Robux. Congratulations. No, no. Please subscribe. And join the group to enter more giveaways in the future. Thank you for all the support on the channel and the new clothing. I'm going to be doing a video on advertising the group soon, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.